Alright, so I just want to go through my setup for DoorDash on my scooter, the Piaggio Liberty 150S. Just a quick walk around first, and then I'll go through some of the things that I use here daily to make it pretty versatile and from my opinion, the best vehicle you can use if you're going to do any gig work. Just because miles per gallon, I'm getting 90 to 100 miles per gallon. It's got 1.6 liter gas tank, but it lasts pretty much, I fill it probably once a day, which is like $2 to $3, which is excellent. And then main reason for a scooter is parking. You can park anywhere, especially being in the city, being able to park between cars at pickups and drop-offs is super easy. Don't have to worry about double parking, don't have to worry about tickets. But the first thing is in the carrier bag here. Got it on Amazon. Pretty big size, but the main feature that I like about this one is that say you need like a pizza or something larger, you can actually unzip this extra section here. Let's see if I can get it. There we go. Goes like that, and then you get this added extension. Let me extend it for you here. There we go. Perfect. You kind of see it like accordions out like that. You're able to fit pizzas and things like that, and then you got an extra hatch here, and you can see how it opens up like that. So now we get all this extra storage. We can fit pizzas and things like that, which is excellent. It's been really useful. And I just wear this on my back. I got this right on Amazon. I can post a link on the bottom afterwards. But aside from that, with the Piaggio, all you gotta do to open the underseat storage, press this little button. And then what I have here, I have underseat storage, which is enough for like a half helmet. I have a little, this is actually a camera lens bag. And that's where I keep waters. We're having a heat wave right now. It's like 90 degrees every day this whole week. So I've got 3 waters in here, lunch, wallet, if you need to fill up gas, it's right there. But that's usually where I'll keep my hat as well. Or also sometimes I'll just switch it right with my helmet. If I'm doing a delivery that's taking a long time and I don't feel like wearing my helmet, I'll grab hat, toss it on, put my helmet, tuck it right in there, and then don't have to worry about someone lifting it while I'm gone, which I don't think they would, but who knows. Let's see. And then as far as drinks, that's the main thing that I feel like a lot of dashers and delivery drivers have an issue with. I got this drinks carrier on Amazon as well. There's a few things going on. I put an external battery here, which I charge up the night before, and then I run it right up to my phone. This way, don't have to worry about my battery running out. Before, without charging it, my phone would probably last about 5 hours with the GPS running, and then you'd be useless after that. So this has been super clutch, and I just tuck it right in there. But the strings barrier, I'm able to carrier, not barrier, I'm able to hang it right on this little loop here. And then let me take it off for a second. Inside, what I have in the drinks carrier are 2 microfiber cloths. Super important because drinks are gonna spill a little bit through the lid or just condensation. So I have 2 microfiber cloths so I can dry them off before and after. And then just some scotch tape in case you want to seal off the top lid, just to be safe. And then also, if I'm really want to make it extra secure, I have some rubber bands to put around the cups so the lid doesn't pop off, especially if it's rocky. But the thing I like about having the drinks carrier on this little hook it's basically, you know, regardless, it acts as almost like your own suspension. When you're going around, this thing will sway and almost counteract the way you're going, so it almost always stays even. So it barely rocks. Say you're going right, this will stay in the middle. You know, even if you're going up and down, it won't really bump. So it's been awesome. Haven't had any drink spill. Aside from that, I think that's pretty much it. You know, I've been dashing now almost a month, and if you're doing it on a car, I mean, I would really consider switching to a scooter if the weather allows you to. It's just made it so much easier just getting around the city, and really been able to up my deliveries per hour. So scooter is the way to go.